Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day. So I just wanted to bring you some new news. A lot of you probably already heard this, but maybe some of you haven't. It's regarding the 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord. It involves all the ones with an 8-inch touchscreen. So what Honda just announced that they're doing is, I don't know if you know, those cars, and I had the same one in my 2020 Accord Sport 2.0. They had CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, but it was only wired. And then a lot of the cars coming out were wireless. Well, they're making a retrofit software update available now that you could pay the dealer and they will program your car to have wireless CarPlay. So a lot of you guys have been talking about it before, saying that you heard something was coming down the line. Well, they just announced it probably 2 weeks ago. So it'll be automatically Apple CarPlay wireless. Now I use this little dongle here. Works really good. You can get these anywhere from 30 to 60 bucks. They all pretty much do the same thing. I love this one. There's like zero lag on it. So they're going to charge $112 for the upgrade. And that's just for the upgrade. Then they're also going to charge you the time it takes to update the software. And I can't assume that would take long, but this is one of those areas where they'll charge you kind of whatever they see fit. Some people have just got it done and they said they charged them $80 to do the actual work. So you're looking at about $200, I would say. That's a safe guess, 200 bucks to get wireless CarPlay. Or you can just get one of these little adapters, as you see here. You can go within settings. I just leave it connected, of course. And it brings it up here. It just says the CarPlay box. Works perfect. Like I said, has about the same lag as our MDX that has factory wireless CarPlay. So I never have really any issues with it. I went this route. It's cheap. Like I said, the one I got, I think, was $49. Does a great job. I never have any issues with it. You just leave it plugged in there and it's good to go. So, but if you guys want something factory where you're not using one of the USB ports to do that, well, now Honda will do it. And right now, it's only for the 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord. A lot of you have been asking if it'll carry over to the Acura line. I would assume it will eventually after they see how well it does on the Accord. You know, if a lot of people are paying to have it done, I'm sure they'll make it available for the Acura, because like my Acura still doesn't have wireless CarPlay, which is kind of mind-boggling for the price point. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you haven't heard and you want something a factory, now you can just make an appointment with your dealer and they will program the software so it'll be wireless. So let me know in the comment section if you guys are planning on doing that. Like I said, 200 bucks. If you're going to have your vehicle for a long time, it's not a huge deal. 50 bucks, you can get the wireless adapter, but some people don't want to mess with the little adapter. Or, you know, like I said, use a USB port to have that plugged in all the time if you have kids and you want to use those for charging devices and whatnot. So again, I just wanted to share that with you if you haven't heard. If you have one of those Accords, this will be a perfect chance to get it done for you. Okay? I appreciate it. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. I appreciate the support I'm getting. I really do. I always love reading you guys' comments, as always. Until next time, guys, take care.